Welcome to the Stupid Food Review Show. I'm your host, as always, Jesus in a Tortilla. We got the new Heinz Dip and Crunch. And I don't know what to think about it. It's basically a burger sauce in that, like, two separate containers. And another container has little potato chip crunch, potato crunchers. I don't know. They got it in a spicy and just secret sauce. So secret sauce and potato chips or potato crunchers. Heinz comes out a lot of new stuff nowadays. I think I'll try the spicy one. There you go. Now, how do we open this thing? It says first dip into secret sauce, then crunch into potato crunchies. Okay, there it looks like there's a seam. Yeah. Oh my goodness. There it is, two separate containers, kind of. This is the spicy dip. I guess it's like for burgers. I guess people, I don't know. I think it's like burger sauce. And there's your potato crunchers. This is $2.48 for one of these. So here, and this is the first, the dip. Spicy burger dip. I have no idea. I don't know. It smells a little different. It's kind of thicker than I thought. Viscosity, baby. But there you go. This is it. Just on the market. Heinz Dip and Crunch. Let's do this. See, these are what reviews are about. The stupid ass shit that you kind of want to look at, but you don't know if you want to pay for it. I'll do that. I'll pay for it. Then you can watch. Then you're like, I'm not going to get that. It's stupid. Which I'm going to say immediately that this is stupid. But there you go. Here we go. We're going to dip it. Then we're going to dip it again. And we got the potato crunchers and the hot burger sauce. Here we go. That is really spicy. And it's really, wow, it's really good. Wow, now it's like building up. Holy crap. I don't think I care about the potato chips. But I'm going to go back in for this dipping sauce. Holy moly. Mmm. Holy shit, this stuff's delicious. It's a little on the spicy side, but I like it. Wow. Wow. Look at that. I'll go back in the chips. And the chips, there we go. Alright. I don't know of this concept because I don't care about those chips. I'm looking forward to the dip on that. This dip is absolutely delicious. I would just buy this dip. They gotta market this dip. This dip's freaking phenomenal. I'm not kidding. Look at the viscosity. Viscosity! Oh. Okay. Was it worth $2.50? No. Maybe $2, maybe $1.50. But the heat and the flavor of that sauce is phenomenal. It's delicious. I don't like the product because I don't care about potato chips to dip my burger in. But, man, just to try this sauce, just to try it once. That's a 10. 10, baby! Save this for later. Love you guys. Love you, babe.